Your life is in your hands. Have you ever felt like everyone around you is moving forward while you're falling behind? Have you ever felt hopeless about your life? Believe me, we all go through this at some point. But remember, your story is not over yet. If you truly want to change your life, you can start today, because within you lies the power to reshape your future. Lessons from successful people. Look at the most successful people in the world. Their journeys were never easy. Steve Jobs, when he was thrown out of his own company, did he give up? Number, he started again and turned Apple into one of the greatest companies in the world. Sachin Tendulkar, when he was young, he failed over and over again with the bat, but he never gave up. Today, he is a legend of cricket. What do we learn from them? Challenges will always come, but those very challenges can become your strength. Believe in yourself first. If you take responsibility for your life today, nothing can stop you. The first step is simple. Believe in yourself. If you think, I can't do it, then you've already lost. So decide right now. I can. I will. I must. Take small steps. Every day one. Every morning, spend 10 minutes thinking about your goals. 2. Face the problems that hurt you and try to solve them. 3. Aim to get at least 1% better every single day. Just imagine, if you keep improving a little every day, within 1 year, you'll become someone you never thought possible. Remember, success is not magic. It's the result of daily effort and patience. Learn to handle loneliness and criticism. There will be times when you feel completely alone. People may misunderstand you, laugh at your dreams, or even ignore you. But successful people never let criticism break them. They stay focused on their goals, no matter what. The secret of big dreams. You might be asking, how can I achieve such big dreams? The answer is simple. Start with small actions. If today you spend 1 hour working on your goal, tomorrow it will become 2. Step by step, your dream will turn into reality. Final words. My friend, the bigger the dream, the bigger the obstacles. But if you keep pushing forward, one day the world will celebrate your success story. Start today. Life is only once. Time flies fast. Waste your time today, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But if you work hard today, your future self will thank you, and you'll become your own pride. Always remember, your success is certain if you never give up. Your willpower, your hard work, and your dreams, these 3 things will take you to the top. And do you know why? Because you are a dreamer, you are a fighter, and you are a champion. Closing message from Visa Bro. I am Gbon. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I was with you. I am with you, and I'll be with you forever. Dream big, work hard, and keep moving forward. Sparkles.